Hey there, savvy savers. If you've ever spotted a sneaky medical bill on your Credit Karma report and thought, wait, that can't be right, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into how to dispute medical bills on Credit Karma in 2025. This step-by-step guide will empower you to take control of your credit and potentially save some serious cash. Let's jump right in. First things first, why dispute a medical bill? These errors can ding your credit score unfairly, leading to higher interest rates or loan denials. Credit Karma makes it easier than ever to challenge these in 2025 with updated tools and features. Start by logging into your Credit Karma account. If you don't have one, sign up, it's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, head over to the Credit Reports section. Here, you'll see a list of items affecting your score. Look for the medical bill in question. Click on it to view details. Now, this is key. Gather your evidence beforehand. That could include billing statements, insurance explanations, or proof of payment. Credit Karma's interface is super user-friendly, so uploading docs is a breeze. Next, click the Dispute button. You'll be prompted to select the reason for your dispute. Options might include, not my debt, incorrect amount, or fraudulent charge. Be specific and attach your evidence. Submit your dispute, and Credit Karma will handle the rest, sending it to the credit bureaus. After submission, keep an eye on your dashboard. Credit Karma provides real-time updates on your dispute status. In 2025, they've added notifications via email and app alerts, so you won't miss a thing. The whole process might take 30 to 60 days, but stay patient and follow up if needed. Remember, disputing isn't just about fixing one bill. It's about maintaining a healthy credit profile. If you're successful, your score could improve, opening doors to better financial opportunities. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more credit tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep your finances on track. See you next time.